First, onions contain important vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are vital for maintaining a healthy body and decreasing the risk of chronic disease. They are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, folate, vitamin B6, and phosphorus. Onions are also a good source of antioxidants and dietary fiber. The potent antioxidants found in onions cannot be overlooked. A diet packed with healthy antioxidants can help to reduce inflammation, inhibit oxidation, reduce cellular damage, and reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Onions contain almost 30 flavonoid antioxidant varieties alone, as well as anthocyanins, polyphenols, plant compounds, and vitamin C. Importantly, onions can also help to control blood sugar, which is becoming more and more important with the growing number of individuals with prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that consuming onions help to reduce fasting blood sugar and blood sugar control. The potent and unique compounds, specifically sulfur compounds and quercetin, have been found to have great anti-diabetic effects. They are also able to help boost digestive health and are a rich source of both fiber and prebiotics, both of which are vital for gut health.